It's day 3 and we have just checked out from the hotel, and we will be exploring Banff town today, and we are just going to grab coffee from Tim Hortons now. Banff is a small town within Banff National Park. Mostly for all small town in and around Banff, architecture of all the building is pretty much similar to give it a vibrant look. It is surrounded by mountains such as Mount Rundle, Sulphur Mountain and Cascade Mountain. It is one of the topmost tourist attraction in Canada, so this place is always full of people. There are many cafes, restaurants, souvenir shops, and you also get some good winter clothing here as well. What you see in the video is the main downtown area, and you can see the church as well. There are many shops for buying outdoor sports equipments as well, like hiking, biking, scrambling and skiing. There is one famous sweet shop in Banff, the Fudgery. It has handmade treats and we got cashew log and chocolate fudge from there. There are some Indian restaurants as well in Banff, so we went to one of those and we had tea and masala dosa over there, and it was good.
After exploring Banff downtown, we decided to visit the nearby places. So one of those was Bow Falls. It's just a 5-minute drive from the downtown, but it's a pretty scenic view. After exploring Bow Falls, we decided to visit Lake Minnewanka. I've heard about this lake in the past as well whenever I was there in Banff, but never really had the opportunity to visit there. But this time the weather was really good, so we decided to visit that lake. You can rent a canoe or a kayak in Lake Minnewanka, but we were told that the lake is pretty deep, and because it was pretty windy on that particular day, so it's better that we only rent the canoe or kayak if we know swimming. But unfortunately, none of us knew swimming, so we decided to skip that.